The warning check emissions in the Renault Clio is often on the dashboard when the control modules register issues with the exhaust gases or combustion in the engine. Usually there are other lights and warnings that will help you identify or at least narrow down the culprit. For example, a check engine light or also check injection warning will point you at the combustion problems like a faulty VVT valve, bad spark plugs or ignition coil, etc. In this case, reading the codes with a Renault compatible scanner will help you a lot, since you will see codes pointing at actual problems and will just replace the faulty part. If you see no other lights or warnings, the problem is very likely with the second oxygen sensor. It's a very common fault for the Clio models, since the O2 sensors are fitted with heating elements that are extremely faulty. Once the heated O2 sensor fails, it can't measure the level of remaining oxygen in the exhaust properly, and the vehicle throws the check emission warning. A generic scanner will throw a code like P0141 or P0420, depending on what exactly failed in the system. Given that the O2 sensors are not that expensive for this car, a lot of owners will choose to replace the second sensor, the one that is installed after the catalytic converter, and see if this helps. But of course, I recommend getting a scan tool and checking the codes first. This may eventually save you hundreds of pounds or euros in repairs. Unfortunately, at very high mileage, when you see this check emissions warning, chances are high that the catalytic converter is not doing its job anymore. In this case, the repair is not DIY friendly and the repair costs are going to be quite unpleasant.